If this is your first time here, hi, welcome. My name is Yana. You're watching Yana Travels. If you're a returning subscriber, or just a viewer, hey travel babe, wagwan, you don't know the vibes already. Of the studio balcony on Odyssey of the Seas. This is cabin number 7252. These are my birthday decorations because yes, it's still my birthday. By the time you're seeing this video, my birthday would have been long gone. But as always, use your key, just tap, it unlocks the door. You pull, not push, and immediately everything is right there. So to my left is a mirror. To my right is the thermostat, AC control, central air system. Control it from here. And down below is your electricity. You keep this card in. Now they give you cards that already come equipped, so that you don't have to find a card to put in here or keep in here. So this is your electricity. This keeps the lights on. We're gonna move over to the bathroom. I have my own robe hanging because it just does it better for me. This is the bathroom. Let's switch on the light. Bathroom caddy. Not bathroom caddy. Yes, bathroom caddy. I have a new one. If you haven't seen my previous vlogs, I've had a bigger one, but I found this one on Amazon that just folds up a little bit more conveniently. Has a little bit more pockets and to me a little bit more space. Is not as bulky in my suitcase. So that's that. Your shower. Still the standard bathroom. Nothing is different about this in the studio. Everything I already set up all of my beauty stuff there. Now let's come over to past the mirror is the flat screen TV. Does not swivel, but it does say hello Tiana. And you operate the TV as normal. Next to the bathroom door is a closet door. I have the few dresses that I have hanging already. My suitcases I packed in here. Yes, I have 2 pieces of travel size luggage with me. Carry on travel size luggage with me because it was a little bit easier for me to navigate by myself. Onto the bed. This is your standard queen king bed. I don't even think this is 2 doubles put together. It doesn't look like 2 doubles, so this might be a queen. Yeah, this might be a queen. Over here in this little cubby, this little guy here, I have my lotions and my perfumes over here and my night scarf. This also has a US standard port, so I bought my extension cord, although I already have a universal outlet kind of cord. This controls a reading light that is above the bed. Since we are above the bed, let's go to the storage that is above the bed. You have 2 of these overhead compartments that you can put anything in. I think I have my book bag in that one, and like my travel pillow and blanket, and they give me extra blanket here. Next to that is another closet door, but this isn't a closet where you can hang things. These are cubbies, sockets, safe. This block here, I don't know what's in here. I believe probably like the Wi-Fi is in there, the Wi-Fi box or whatever is probably in there. Underneath, another cubby holder, and then 2 regular soft close drawers. Next to that, you have this little nightstand. There is a drawer here as well that holds the hair dryer, some tissue, and a folder. And here under here is the mini fridge. I have a few things in it already, or the cooler. Some people call it a cooler because it keeps things cool. It's not a fridge. Y'all see the merch. Y'all see it. Y'all already know what going on. That's my Lunatsi water bottle. I literally take this everywhere now. Here's my drone, my camera bags. Before we get to the good stuff, I gotta take you around the room. So underneath the TV is the pockets. If you saw my last Odyssey of the Seas vlog room tour, I have put some things in here to hold, so that's good for storage too. Then you have your telephone. Usually the telephone is on the desk. Being that this is a smaller cabin, because it is a studio, a solo cabin, there isn't much desk space. The vanity area is very small compared to any other standard interior, ocean view, balcony rooms. I'm sure the suites. So this is the vanity area and the work desk station. That's the vanity mirror. You have your US ports, USB and lights. Then you have your vanity chair. This bag is my ducks. I'll show you guys my ducks soon. But yes, I have that bag. Now on to the balcony. This balcony is probably the biggest balcony I've had thus far. It's a corner balcony, so it extends out pretty far. I'm gonna go to the furthest corner of the balcony and basically give you the overview of what the balcony would look like from this angle, and for me it's pretty huge. So yeah, that concludes the room tour. Very standard, very basic, but honestly I think I like this better than an interior being solo. So good job for these cruise lines, including studio cabins as a cabin category option.